This easy butterscotch fudge tastes like butter that's been churned with a delicious candy. It is so creamy, rich, and addictive that the kids will definitely want to eat it again and again. Start by greasing a baking pan and lining it with parchment paper. Set it aside and in a medium saucepan, add the granulated sugar, evaporated milk, unsalted butter, and salt. Bring to a rolling boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. Then, add in the marshmallows and mix until it has melted. Remove from the heat and add in the butterscotch chips. Mix until the butterscotch chips are melted. Add in the chopped nuts and vanilla extract, then stir vigorously for 1 minute. Pour into the prepared baking pan and refrigerate for 2 hours until firm. Cut into small squares before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.